Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah.
5 ducks, body ducks. 5 ducks in the kitchen where we flings a bit. 5 ducks, body ducks.
And that, my
5
friends,
ducks
is the
in the
story
kitchen
of how
now
the spatula
flings. In
got
a
its
cozy
root
kitchen
back.
where laughter
A
sings.
lesson in
5 little ducks spread their feathery wings. With beaks aglow and eyes full of cheer, they waddled around, bringing joy near. First was Quack, the leader so bold, with dreams of adventures and stories untold. He splashed in the sink with a giddy delight, turning bubbles to clouds that danced in the light. Next came Dilly with her apron askew, whipping up cookies. Oh, what a view! She stirred flour like magic from ancient tales spun. As sugar cascaded, what amazing fun! Then Flap joined in with the spoon held high, conducting a symphony beneath the blue sky. With pots as his drums and pans as his stage, he danced round the counter a true feathered sage. Atop the fridge sat wise old Drake, with tales of the pond and ripples they make. Life's but an adventure, he quacked with a grin. Embrace every moment, let laughter begin. Now here comes Peep with a sparkly charm, a sprinkle of glitter wrapped all snug and warm. She twirled through the air like a bright summer breeze, transforming each corner into magical seas. But soon
that,
came
my
trouble,
friends,
oh
is
dear
the
me, oh
story of
my.
how the
A knock
spatula
at the
got
door
its
made them
root
all
back.
jump high.
A
In
lesson
rushed a
in
cat with mischief ablaze. The ducks huddled close in bewildered amaze. Yet courage prevailed as they hatched out a plan. Together they plotted to outsmart that sly man. They quacked loud enough to echo through halls, and soon it was Cat who scampered and sprawls. So 5 little ducks turned mischief to fun in their bustling kitchen where memories spun through flurry scenes filled with giggles galore. Each day was an adventure worth laughing for more. 5 ducks, body-doggy-wocks. 5 ducks in the kitchen, oh Menzies. 5 ducks, body-doggy-wocks. 5 ducks in the kitchen, oh please. 5 ducks in the kitchen, oh please. 5 ducks! In a cozy nook where the sunlight gleams, 5 ducks gathered around with their quacking dreams. A clatter of feet on the polished floor, they waddled and splashed by the old kitchen door.
Stir it slow.
With feathers of gold and a glint in their eyes, they searched for adventure as they fluffed up nearby. The scent of fresh bread danced off through the air, and laughter erupted. What joy to be there! One duck named Daisy took charge of the crew. With a flap and a quack, she knew what to do. Let's bake us some pastry, she boldly declared, while her friends honked along, though not one really cared.
Sharing with all of you makes it even better.
Then Gerald brought flour, a cloud in his wake, as he tripped on a rug that began to shake. With wings all akimbo and giggles alight, they painted the kitchen with pure delight.
Stir it slow, nice and sweet.
While Penelope
Yes,
stirred
this
up
jam
a
is ready
sweet
to
pot
eat.
of jam, Quincy kept watch like an ever-brave ram. Watch out for spills, he would squawk with concern, but soon enough chaos was all they discerned. The counters were covered in sugar and cream, a sight so absurd it could only be dreamed. Yet amidst all the mess and each joyful refrain, their friendship grew deeper, a bond that would reign.
I can't believe how
As
good this
twilight
sunset pie
approached with
tastes.
its gentle
And sharing it with
embrace,
all of you
they
makes
sat
it
round the
even
table,
better.
a whimsical space. 5 ducks in the kitchen shared tales over pie. Each quack held a secret that soared to the sky. So here's to those moments when life seems askew, when 5 little ducks made much cheer. In kitchens like this, love finds ways to appear.
Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah.